friends, welcome to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Dear students, today we discuss non-homogeneous differential equation method. How to solve the non-homogeneous differential equation method? See, dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 by a2x plus b2y plus c2, or in some books it is also denoted by dy by dx equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. This is called non-homogeneous differential equation. Here x power 1, y power 1, constant degree is 0. Here we have two different degrees, so it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. Here we have three cases to solve non-homogeneous differential equation. Case 1. My dear students, observe here, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, call it as a straight line. a1x plus b1y plus c1, if you take equal to 0, it is a straight line. a2x plus b2y plus c2, it is another straight line. Just you have to imagine like that. Case 1, if these opposite terms equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, that means a2 equal to minus b1 or b1 equal to minus a2. In this case, cross multiply and grouping the terms. Cross multiply and grouping the terms. Then cross multiply and group the terms, and then integrating, we get solution. See, for example, let us take dy by dx equal to 2x minus y plus 1 by x plus y minus 1. See, these two are in opposite in sign. Yes or no? Now cross multiply. When you cross multiply, tell me, x dy, y dy minus dy, cross multiply 2x dx minus y dx plus dx. Just cross multiply. What I said to you, cross multiply and group the terms. Dear students, tell me, derivative of xy is x into dy plus y into dx. UV formula. So if you have any term like this, x dy plus y dx, we can write it as d of xy. Yes or no? See, here you have negative term, bring this side, x dy plus y dx. This is the term, grouping term. Next, bring this term here, 2x dx. Here we have y dy. Next, minus dx minus dy equal to 0. Dear students, we write it as this as x dy plus y dx is d of xy. Just I told you here. Minus 2x dx plus y dy minus dx minus dy equal to 0. Now on integrating both sides, we get, see, write down symbol, integration symbol. On integrating d of xy, integration d of xy minus 2 into integration of x dx, x dx we can integrate same kind of variables. Similarly y dy plus integration y dy minus integration dx minus integration dy equal to constant integration. Integration derivative reversible process. This value becomes xy minus 2 into integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of y is y square by 2 integration of dxx integration of dy minus y equal to c. C multiply with 2, multiply minus 2, it becomes positive term minus 2xy. When you multiply with minus 2, 2 getting cancelled, minus y square plus 2x plus 2y equal to minus 2c. We take another constant as a c. This is the solution. So dear students, this is the case 1. In this case, see here, these two are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Equal but opposite sign. If it is plus, it is minus. Okay now? Next one. Case 2. Dear students, already I told you, if you take this as a 0, it becomes a straight line. Let it be this as a equal to 0, it is another straight line. Straight line's position may be like this, parallel. When the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Slopes equal means minus a1 by b1 equal to minus a2 by b2. Minus a1 by b1 equal to minus a2 by b2. From this we can write it as a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Second case, if xy portion equal, x comma y terms are equal, are proportionate. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. When a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, this value proportionate. That means then we take a1x plus b1y equal to some constant into a2x plus b2y. In this case, we take a1x plus b1y as a t or v. From this we can find dy by dx. Substitute these values in given differential equation. For example, see example, dy by dx equal to x plus y minus 1 by 2x plus 2y plus 5. Here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. a1 is 1, a2 is 2. a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, that equal to 1 by 2. We can take 2 common, then x plus y, here x plus y. Put x plus y equal to t. మనం జాగ్రత్తగా గమనిస్తే కింద కానీ పైన కానీ, దట్ మీన్స్ న్యూమరేటర్లో కానీ డినామినేటర్లో కానీ, we can take some constant as common. Here we can take 2 common, x plus y, both are equal. Now 1 plus dy by dx equal to dt by dx. మనం t అనుకోవచ్చు, v అనుకోవచ్చు, as you wish. Now dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus 1. Generally ఇక్కడ v అనుకొని చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, ఏదనుకున్నా పర్లా. Substitute these values here. dt by dx minus 1 equal to t minus 1. Take 2 common, it becomes 2t plus 5. Bring minus 1 to that side. dt by dx equal to t minus 1 by 2t plus 5 plus 1. Now take LCM. dt by dx equal to t minus 1 plus 2t plus 5 by 2t plus 5. Now t 2t 3t dt by dx equal to 3t minus 1 plus 5 plus 4 by 2t plus 5. Now students, separate variable, separable, same kind of variables one side. Already I told you, after simplification of every method goes to the first method, that is variable separable method. Cross multiply, we get 2t plus 5 by 3t plus 4 into dt equal to dx. Cross multiply. Separate t terms one side and x terms other side. On integrating 2t plus 5 by 3t plus 4 dt equal to integration dx plus c. Dear students, it is improper fraction. Improper fraction. In that improper fraction, divide 2t plus 5 by 3t plus 4. 2t plus 5, 3t plus 4. Dear students, we can write partial fraction like this also. If you have equal degrees, when you divide, it becomes 2 by 3 plus. To get a ratio, common ratio value, take this denominator as 0. T equal to how much? When you take this denominator 0, t equal to minus 4 by 3. Substitute this t value here. Tell me, 2 into minus 4 by 3 plus 5. How much? Minus 8 plus 15. 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 by 3t plus 4 into dt equal to x plus c. Now 2 by 3 is constant, its integration is 2 by 3t. 7 by 3 is constant, it is of the form 1 by x log mod 3t plus 4 by x coefficient is 3 equal to x plus c. Students, t value is x plus y. Substitute the t value here. 2 by 3 into x plus y plus 7 by 3 log of t value x plus y, 3 into x plus y plus 4 equal to x plus c. According to option, we have to simplify. Here is by 3, 3 into 3, it becomes 9 students, 9. Multiply with 9 on both sides. Multiply with 9, 9 into 3, 6. 6x plus 6y equal to 7 into log of plus 7 into log of 3x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 9x plus c. Bring 6x to this side. 9x minus 6 is 3x. 6y plus 7 into log of 3x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 3x plus c. According to answer, we can simplify further. Okay, now students? See another example in case 2. Consider solve or dy by dx equal to 2x minus y plus 1 by 4x minus 2y plus 3. See students, a1 by a2, here a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, that equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 2, that equal to 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. In such case, we write dy by dx as 2x minus y plus 1 by, take 2 common, 2 into 2x minus y plus 3. Now what is the same value here? 2x minus y. Put 2x minus y equal to v or t, whatever it may be. Take v. Differentiate 2 into 1 minus dy by dx equal to dv by dx. Interchange terms, 2 minus dv by dx equal to dy by dx. Substitute these values here. Dy by dx is 2 minus dv by dx, v plus 1 by 2v plus 3. Now bring this term to this side and this to this side. 2 minus v plus 1 by 2v plus 3 equal to dv by dx. Cross multiply dv by dx, that means take LCM. 2v plus 3 is the LCM, so it becomes 4v plus 6 minus v minus 1. This minus into v plus 1 implies dv by dx equal to 4v minus v, v is 3v, plus 6 minus 1 is plus 5 by 2v plus 3. Now separate variable separable. 2v plus 3 by 3v plus 5 into dv equal to dx. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, we get integration of 2v plus 3 by 3v plus 5 dv equal to integration of dx plus c, where c is integration constant. In previous problem we write like this. Here power v power is 1, v power is 1. If you have same degrees, you take constants ratio plus another partial fraction is denominator is 3v plus 5. To get numerator of this, take this denominator value as 0. 3v plus 5 0. When you take 3v plus 5 0, v equal to minus 5 by 3. Substitute v value here. 2v plus 3 equal to 2 into minus 5 by 3 plus 3. So minus 10 plus 9 by 3, which is equal to minus 1 by 3. This value is minus 1 by 3 equal to x plus c. This implies 2 by 3 dv minus 1 by 3 1 by 3v plus 5 dv equal to x plus c. Write down the separate integration to this term and this term. 2 by 3 is constant. Integration of dv is v minus 1 by 3. It is 1 by x form, log of 3v plus 5 by 3 equal to x plus c. Substitute v value. V value is 2x minus y. 2 by 3, 2x minus y. 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 1 by 9 log mod 3 into 2x minus y plus 5 equal to x plus c. Now students, here is by 9, here is by 3. Multiply with 9 on both sides. I mean, when you multiply 9, 3 is getting cancelled. 3 into 2 6. So 12x, 6 into 2 12x minus 6y minus log of 6x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 9x plus another constant c. We write it as c. Bring minus 6y to this side, 6y equal to, bring 9x to this side, 3x minus log of 6x minus 3y plus 5. You take c as this side also plus c. Divided with 6, we get y value. Options, according to options, we convert like this. 1 by 2x, 1 by 6 log of 6x minus 3y plus 5 plus c. Okay na students? Next, Case 3 of non-homogeneous differential equation. In case 3, case 1, case 2 does not exist. It goes to case 3. For example, you take dy by dx equal to x plus y minus 1 by 2x minus y plus 3. What is the case 1? This opposite side equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, but not here. Next one, coefficients ratios. A1 by A2 is 1 by 2, B1 by B2 is minus 1. Both case 1 and case 2 failed here. So in that case, we use transformations. Those are known as transformation equations. How can you use transformations? Dear students, it is a non-homogeneous equation. First, try to convert this into the homogeneous equation. Try to convert it into homogeneous equation. For example, you take, in change of axis chapter, shifting the origin to the point. Let us take small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Here, dx equal to capital D capital X, dy equal to d capital Y. So dy by dx equal to capital dy by dx. My dear students, substitute these values here. We get, in place of small dy by dx, substitute capital D capital dy by d capital X equal to, here x is capital X plus h, y is capital Y plus k minus 1 by 2 into capital X plus h minus capital Y plus k plus 3. Now students, see here, dy by dx equal to, write down capital X, capital Y terms at one place, and remaining terms are h plus k minus 1 by, multiply with 2x, here is minus y, capital letters write down at one place, plus 2h minus k plus 3. So, when you substitute these values in given equation, we get this one. See students, we are going to convert non-homogeneous into homogeneous. We are going to convert non-homogeneous into homogeneous. To convert it into homogeneous, we take this constant value as 0. To convert into homogeneous, put or take h plus k minus 1 equal to 0, 2h minus k plus 3 equal to 0. When you take this as 0, this as 0, here dy by dx equal x plus y by 2x minus y only. If these two terms 0, here x power 1, y power 1, here x power 1, y power 1, all degrees are equal, so it is a homogeneous equation. When you consider this as 0 and this as 0, if this equal to 0, on solving we get h value and k value. My dear students, when you observe these two equations, simply this and this same. See, x plus y minus 1, h plus k minus 1. In place of x, y, write down h and k. This and this same. But in place of x, here we have h. In place of y, we here have k. Similarly, this is also this and this same. On solving, we get h and k. In objective questions, just to have take this as a line, this as a line. On solving, we get h and k. So, in objective question, in this type he asked what type of transformations we use to convert non-homogeneous into homogeneous. Tell me, what type of transformations? These are known as transformation equations. Transformation means we are going to change this equation into another equation form. to use these two. So it is known as a transformation equations. So in the objective point of which transformation you use it to solve this non-homogeneous equation? Which transformations we use to solve non-homogeneous equation? Here transformations are what? Small x equal to x plus h, small y equal to y plus k. To find h and k, just we have to solve these two, because here we got same type of these two equations here. Yes or no? So solving method is write down YCXY method, or on adding these two, add equations. Tell me what you get. H plus 2h is 3h, plus k minus you getting cancelled, minus 1 plus 3, on adding it becomes 2. So h equal to minus 2 by 3. Substitute h value any one of the equation, we get k value. Substitute minus 2 by 3 plus k minus 1 equal to 0. Take LCM, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, it is 5 by 3. Therefore, transformation equations are small x equal to capital X plus h, that is minus 2 by 3. Small y equal to capital Y plus 5 by 3. Now this differential equation becomes d capital Y by d capital X equal to x plus y by 2x minus y. Now it is a homogeneous differential equation. To solve homogeneous differential equation, we use another transformation, capital Y equal to v into capital X. In last video, I told you homogeneous differential equation method problems. There we considered small y equal to vx, but here it is in terms of capital X and capital Y. So that we take v equal to y equal to vx and solve. In previous method model, we will get answer in terms of capital X and capital Y, students, because here we have capital X and capital Y. From this transformation relations, substitute capital X value, substitute capital Y value after getting this answer. Okay, na students, do it that one. So non-homogeneous 3 cases discuss చేసాం. ఈ 3 cases చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోండి. ఈ 3 కేసెస్లో ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఎక్కువగా ఫస్ట్ కేసు అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు, మేబీ సెకండ్ కేస్, బట్ థర్డ్ కేసులో హీ ఆస్క్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్, నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, బాయ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, జై హింద్.